So we start off today's video with someone who has shoulder length hair. Stylist gets cutting. Mixing in some longer bangs in the front, creating a nice asymmetrical pixie style. This is absolutely gorgeous. I love the texture he created as well. Stunning transformation. Hello everyone. Welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle. And today we're going to be taking a look at a variety of hair transformations, options, and ideas that you can play around with this season. So here we have another Pixie. This one features more of an undercut style. Her hair is so thick and full at the top. And then we see someone with this gorgeous curly natural hair. Wow, so she decided to mix it up with this beautiful ginger color. This looks absolutely stunning on her, so pretty. And she did also get a nice little shape up on the curls as well. Beautiful bangs in the front, so pretty. So if you guys do feel inspired by any of these hairstyles, options, and ideas, please be sure to give today's video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. So here we have someone with a bit of color damage to their hair. Stylist puts in some moisture after cutting. Then goes in and adds some color. Looks like she's going with some type of like copper orange color in. Oh, wow. She got the undercolor trend with the blonde at the back. Oh, I'm loving this copper at the top. What an amazing transformation. And her hair, of course, looks so much healthier with this cut. And then we have someone else deciding to color their hair. So she's going from red to blonde. Now I wonder if this coloring session was after one session or if this was like a couple of sessions. Definitely looks like a lot of steps. She is doing the face framing highlights for this look. Gorgeous. You would never know that she had red hair. Stylist did an amazing job. And then we see someone else with curly, wavy hair. Her hair is very thick and full. So it looks like she wants to add a dimensional face framing highlight look in the front. Money piece highlights. So she trims the hair, mixes in some highlights. Lowlights, really creating that dimensional look to the hair. And then of course the money piece highlights around her face. Ooh, I can't wait to see what this looks like. Wow. So pretty. Loving the dimension on this. Gorgeous. Alright, you guys, I hope you enjoyed checking out all of the hairstyles featured in today's video. If you did, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.